Welcome to the Android channel, and this is the Android news for Thursday, August the 9th, 2018. And today in our news, we have the Galaxy Note 9 announced officially now. And basically, we will actually have a special video talking about the key features of this massive and pretty impressive new phone. It is the first phone that will have up to 1 terabyte support and a massive 4000 milliamp hour battery that will make sure that you have a full day on your phone. So more about it in this Android channel. Later today I will be doing a little roundup of what it has as new features and when it's going to be out. If you have a lower-end Samsung phone, there's good news for you guys because you're still probably on Android 7 Nougat. Well, a lot of older phones, including phones that go back to 2016, that are really lower-end phones, will actually get Android 8 Oreo. But the only problem with that, it might not be there until mid-2019. But if you have one of those old phones, maybe you could hang on to it if you actually like your phone. Well, in times where many people want to stay fit, it seems that fitness apps on Android are actually getting more and more popular. But a study that is looking at the usage of the fitness apps are kind of showing that, well, the intention is there, but even though the downloads are actually there on the Google Play Store, for example, the usage might not be there. So people want to stay fit, might not be doing what it needs to stay fit. Google Chrome Beta 69 is adding support for Android phones that will have a notch. And the first question that comes to mind when I think about it is, why the hell do Android phones want to have a notch to imitate the iPhone X? Because I find that notch is absolutely horrible and should never have existed. And so, anyways, it seems that some companies want to imitate iPhone style notch on devices, and Google Chrome will be able to use that type of phone. Well, the Black Hat security conference, where hackers have fun hacking everything that's hackable, there's kind of some, maybe I would say some worrying news. Black Hat 2018 conference that's pretty much ending today is showing that many flaws in Android smartphones that is driving actually the Department of Homeland Security nuts. It's saying that there's so many new flaws that have been discovered in the smartphones. Millions of people are at risk. Of course, they have not disclosed these. They are sending them to the proper, authorities and companies so that they get fixed before anybody knows about them, which shows you there's a lot of stuff. And by the way, if you think it's just an Android thing, Apple users that are watching this video, there's apparently quite a lot of flaws have been discovered in iOS also. So you guys are also at risk. What's the most used app according to telemetry on Android? Well, that probably won't be a big surprise. Facebook is #1 app in usage. When you look at all the usage time spent on different apps within Android, Facebook is still #1. And not just that, the study or the survey says that basically, even though in the past year there were lots of scandals with Facebook, the usage has not changed. So it gives you an idea that people are so obsessed with Facebook that whatever happens, they just continue using it anyway. One of the key aspects of Android Pie 9 will be the upgrades. Google wants to make sure that with this new version of Android, updates are actually achieved and arrive faster to devices. One of the biggest problems, of course, that always been there is the slow upgrade process of many manufacturers, and Google wants to have you stop thinking about security because of this. So, will that make a major change? It's going to be interesting to see because they really want to have everything pushed at a much faster pace. I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see. And in the next few months, if you're a user of all the Google apps on Android, well, slowly they're now being upgraded and some people are starting to see some of these changes. with the new modern material design, giving them a much more modern feel and look. So if you are using Google Apps, you will see some of these changes as the apps will be upgraded depending on your device in the next few months. And this was the Android news for Thursday, August 9th, 2018. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.